Let's create material groups. We have created material types, which is ROHP. Okay. And the purpose for material groups is, what everyone tell me, master. In master. Setting for key fields, define material groups. Okay, what material do we have? Domestic detergent, industrial detergent, and what we are making?
मटेरियल ग्रुप्स और मटेरियल टाइप्स के में क्या फर्क है?
Material type is either raw material, semi-finished good, finished good. And in material types, you can have different kinds of raw materials. And every raw material group will be responsibility of purchasing group and purchasing organization. Okay. 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 We created ROHP. So we create R1. Let's say we are creating what? Packaging. ROHP. Packaging. Partner. Authorization group will be assigned to the users. Okay. And how will it be measured? We'll keep it open. We don't want to find it right now. It can be in meters, it can be in square foot, it can be in bundles. Description. Carton, packaging, raw material. What else do we need? R2. ROHP. Carton tape. Carton taping. T bundle. R3. What else do we have in carton? Ink. Carton ink. Print material. Okay. So this is material. Type and material group is part of material or related to material type. What was our company code? 8846. This one? No. What was our Raja Osama? Okay, BT46. Save. This is saved. Then we have S1, but we only have ROHP. Let's not actually go into more details. We'll stay with ROHP. Okay, once these are, because that will get will complete our time. Okay, now that is done. Next is six settings, types. Define number ranges. Material type interval. Okay. We've already given interval to ROHP, I believe, 14, 15. Change groups, find ROHP. Okay, yes, we have ROHP, 14, ROHP packaging, ROHP. Okay, any material that will be made will be assigned here to your material number. Okay. Okay. Once this is done, let's go to create material master. This is front end, logistics. Material master. Service is the right now. Create special material and then R.